channel. Welcome back to this channel. In our last episode, we'll talk about how you can express yourself in Yoruba. So far, we've talked about Yoruba alphabet on this channel. We've talked about Yoruba alphabet, Yoruba accent. That's where we talk about do, re, mi, the lowest and the highest tone, and neutral tone. That's where we talk about it. We've talked about Yoruba numbers 1 to 50. We've talked about it on this channel. We've talked about how you can express yourself on this channel. We've talked about series of things concerning Yoruba language and how you can express yourself. And if you are just joining us for the first time, please kindly go back to all those episodes and check it so that your pronunciation will be good. So today we are going to be talking about family members in Yoruba. Àwọn ẹbí ní èdè Yorùbá, family members in Yoruba. The first one is, what is immediate family in Yoruba? Immediate family, your immediate family. If you want to say your immediate family in Yoruba, you said ìdílé. Ìdílé. Immediate family is called ìdílé in Yoruba. Ìdílé in Yoruba. While the extended family is called mọ̀lẹ́bí. 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 If you want to say mother, my mother in Yoruba, my mother, you say màmá mi tàbí ìyá mi. Màmá mi tàbí ìyá mi. If you want to say father, my father, my father in Yoruba, you say bàbá mi. Bàbá mi. Bàbá mi. And if you want to say my parents in Yoruba, you said àwọn òbí mi. Àwọn òbí mi. Àwọn òbí mi. Àwọn òbí mi. If you want to say my older sibling, my older sibling, that is, you will say ẹ̀gbọ́n mi. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, that is your older siblings. If you want to say your younger siblings in Yoruba, you say àbúrò mi. Àbúrò mi. Àbúrò mi. If you want to say my child, my child, you say ọmọ mi. Ọmọ mi, my child. If you want to say my son is ọmọ mi ọkùnrin. Son is ọmọkùnrin. So if you now want to say my son, you say ọmọ mi ọkùnrin. If you want to pronounce daughter in Yoruba, daughter in Yoruba, you say ọmọbìnrin. Ọmọbìnrin, that is daughter. Daughter. If you want to say grandma, grandma in Yoruba, you can say màmá màmá or ìyá àgbà. Ìyá àgbà. Ìyá àgbà. So if you want to say grandpa, grandpa, you say bàbá bàbá. Bàbá bàbá. Grandpa, grandpa. So if you want to say sister, sister, sister is arábìnrin. Arábìnrin, sister. Arábìnrin, sister. If you want to say brother, brother, brother is arákùnrin. Arákùnrin, that's brother. Brother, arákùnrin. If you want to say wife, wife in Yoruba, that's ìyàwó. Ìyàwó. Ìyàwó, wife. But if you now want to say my wife, you say ìyàwó mi. Ìyàwó mi, my wife. My wife. If you want to say husband, husband in Yoruba, you say ọkọ. 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 But if you now want to say my husband, my husband, you say ọkọ mi. Ọkọ mi. Ọkọ mi. Ọkọ mi. I know if anybody should ask you that what is my son in Yoruba. I know you'll be able to answer them with ọmọ mi ọkùnrin. That is my son, my son. And if anybody asks you what is the meaning of husband in Yoruba, I know by now you'll be able to tell them husband is ọkọ, 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 ọkọ. Thank you for joining us in today's episode where we'll talk about family members in Yoruba. We'll talk about your immediate family, extended family, your mother, your father, your brother, your sister. We'll talk about it. So stay tuned on this channel. The next episode, I know you will love it. We'll talk about clothes, classrooms, and foods in Yoruba. What are the Yoruba foods that we have? How can I say classroom? How can I say clothes in Yoruba? We'll talk about many things. So till then, stay tuned on this channel. Stay tuned. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for staying tuned on this episode. See you next time.